Hey guys, thank you so much for being with me. So since you guys have been so sweet and learning such a great thing, I want to treat you with little animation. Now animation does sound complicated and it is actually, but some animations in React Native can be achieved as if React Native has provided you with some kind of magic genie, and I want to show you that. So if you go to React Native's official doc and search for layout animation, it says in order to use that you need to add this piece of code in the index.js file, or rather the entry level file, which is obviously index.js, which we discussed when we were seeing the React Native project for the very first time. So since I've already added, let's go and copy a bunch of code from here. So let's copy this piece of code, right? And let's add it here. Now the way we are going to add is we're going to use something called as use effect. It's okay if you're not aware, we will be using right now, don't worry about it. So if I add this thing, let's see what magic happens. Oh wow, did you just see that, right? The moment I loaded the application, it was so smooth, right? Now if I say task 1, even this came so nicely with a smooth transition, right? It wasn't that it just appeared out of nowhere. So let's just see with and without it. Okay, it's just that things were there and things were not there, so there's no intermediate state. But the moment we add this animation, you can see things are so smoothly and slowly coming, right? So again, I wanted to show you the magic of React Native itself, right? Just by adding these few lines of code, right? And this you just have to define once, right? You can start building like really good things, right? And again, pardon me, I don't have sense of design and that's not my domain as well, but I'm trying to make you understand that okay, you can edit all of these styles, right? You can edit the background color, you can edit the positioning, and also by writing just how many lines, literally 1 2 3 4 5 lines of code. Okay, considering from here to here also, right? How many, like some 7 8 lines of code, and you're able to achieve such a smooth transitioning, right? Isn't that awesome? So for more such videos, keep yourself tuned to my channel, and we are gonna build more complex applications. Thank you.